Okay, everybody, listen, this is the last live I'm doing tonight, but there's some crazy, crazy shit going on right now on Facebook, and yes, I cussed. And you're gonna too. You're gonna too when I show you this, okay? But it's okay, listen, we're all gonna repent. We're all gonna repent. We're all gonna repent after seeing this live, okay? You gotta see this, okay? And then I'm gonna go home because I'm at my friend's house. I'm gonna go home. Listen, click on Facebook, right? You all want to know why you get them ads? Facebook's tracking every activity you do when you're offline. When you're offline on Facebook. Here's what you do. You click on your Facebook app. Follow me. You click on these little bars down here in the right-hand side. Click on these little bars right here. Follow me. Then what you do is you scroll. You're going to scroll to settings, okay? You're going to scroll to settings. And then you're going to scroll up. This is crazy. Hold on. You're going to scroll to right here, I'm sorry, where it says your Facebook information. Okay? You're going to click on off Facebook activity. It says here, view or clear activity from businesses and organizations you visit off of Facebook. Facebook is viewing your activity that you conduct when you're off of Facebook. They're tracking every app that you visit. Every app that you visit. If you do online banking, they're tracking when you click on your banking online app through your phone. Are you guys tripping off of what I'm showing you? Because I know I was tripping when I saw this. So what do you do? What do you do? How do you turn this thing off? Well, first and foremost, you go here. You got to clear. Clear the history, okay? Your activity has been cleared. So now there's no apps up here, right? You see that? Okay, now hold on. Now you go more options. Manage future activity. Manage future activity. Future activity, turn this puppy off. Turn it off so that Facebook can't see what you're doing when you're off of Facebook. Have you ever wondered why you see certain apps pop up, certain ads pop up on Facebook if you go make trip reservations through VRBO or Airbnb? You make trip reservations, right? For, let's say, Cancun. You go to Facebook, and Facebook is advertising Cancun. This is why. This is why. I know you guys are tripping. I know you guys are tripping. Listen. I think it's just a matter of time before we're all getting off of Facebook. But until then, these are things that you can do to safeguard yourself and protect your privacy. Hope this helps. Tag a friend.